I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty fried, as I'm sure you can imagine. It's 4 o'clock and I'm on my way up home. So there's 2 spots that I absolutely love going to when I come down 95. It's rare that I get to come this way, but I'm gonna go in and check it out. It's been a really long time since I've been here because normally like traffic is terrible. Doll heads galore. Old chocolate box. So pretty. I love old chocolate boxes. Now this is cool. X-ray. Lots of oddities. And like really well done crafts. Like this. I like this a lot. Very strange. Oh, so overwhelmed. Nothing that really jumps out at me. Well, I have to see how much this cat on velvet painting is. I'm sure it's priced accordingly. 28, not so much. But the closer up I get, the more not in love with it I am. I'm trying to make my way over here. 79, okay, that's gonna stay there. I'm glad because I was totally invested in that. Kitsch, kitsch, kitsch. All right. Lamb, 22. I figured it as much. This one is pretty funny too. I love the expression 20. Can't really do anything with that. The clothes are epic, but I can barely focus. Okay, whatever this tapestry is, it's incredible too. I think I'm just gonna go shelf by shelf. I love this. I would totally buy that for myself. Let's see. It's just so well displayed and curated. Mushroom, 15. I love the flamingo up there and whatever this unicorn thing is on the glass. Let me see if I can zoom in here. That's weird. I love this skirt, 32. I've also always wanted one of these leopard fur skirts, 30. It's not a bad price at all, I should say. Oh gosh, I could spend all day here. I knew I was gonna come here and regret saving it for last, but at least I started the farthest distance, so I can come back here if I really feel like it. What is going on with this tapestry thing? I think it's just for their booth. I also really like these old playing cards with the happy face. Puzzles. Oh gosh, everything is so spectacular. And that purse back there, the geometric rose. What's this goofy little guy? Shaker. Interesting. And look at that. That's made to look like that old USA pottery. This chicken pitcher is spectacular. Unfortunately, it's got some chips. Oh my gosh, the Humpty Dumpty needlepoint. I don't like the brown frame though. The price is definitely right. Ah. A lot going on over here too. That basket's 38. It's really pretty. Glass baskets do not sell for me at all. I even have a pink opalescent Fenton vase that's been basket that's been in my shop forever. All the perfume bottles. Gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. $7.50. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and take that. What's this one? This one's a bank. It's only $5. What? That's kind of fun. Here's one of those lipstick holders. $15. I thought it said $4.95. Let's see what else we got here. This little Mother Goose mug is adorable. For $4, I might as well pick that up. Unicorn. Love the earring holders. $5, gosh. Oh, this is fun too. $15, that's probably about retail. Love this bobblehead thermometer. It's broken though, unfortunately. Oh my god, and this polka dot hat, how wild is that? I love that. I'm actually second guessing myself. The condition on this isn't that great. Let's see, what do we have down here? These guys. $7. Oh, McCoy. $15 though. Chalkboard dancer, it's missing the other one. It's only $5. It's like, how do you not go completely nuts in a place like this? This guy's adorable. See, I really like, oh! Price. Am I really that tired, or is there no price on this? Oh, nope. I don't think there's a price on it. That's probably why it's still here. Dang. I was gonna say, that's a really good one. I love these vintage children's tea sets. They just really don't sell well for me. This is only $6. I want to pick it up, but I've bought them a few times and I've never sold one. Alice in Wonderland. $10, not a bad price at all. I've had that one a few times. And these Mickey planners are usually overpriced, $20. Not the biggest fan of those, honestly. Now, I see a lot going on over here. Here's another one of those deer. Interesting. $20. I feel like that's pretty cheap. It's kind of common though. What's going on with the butterflies? $4 each. I'm gonna have to do a second lap here. I see a little spaghetti poodle with its beret. Wish it was pink or blue. What is this stork? Oh, how fantastic. This guy is unique. 28. There's just so much going on here. Just kind of trying to get by here. It's strange. Oh, I know what that is. That's really funny. This lizard tile is pretty neat. It's definitely newer. All these Christmas dishes. I know, I really haven't made it far. $16.95. 14, yeah. It's pretty much retail. Finally made it past the first aisle. Very cool. Good grief, look at these flamingo vases. $175. I don't want to pick them up. I'm scared. My nervous energy would break it. I try not to pick up these Roy Des. This cheerleader one is pretty funny. It's for the pair though, and it's $48. That's really high. I really like this planter. $18. It's a fair retail price. Oh, frog. Oh, but wait, there's more. A little clown rolly, that's cute. $8, gosh, so cheap. This is what caught my eye though. These are definitely Holt Howard, I think at least. Or, no, they're made to look like Holt Howard. They're newer. Still got some age to it.